Hiya! This is Druid Cat. Welcome to my course. In this video, we're diving into something different than usual. We're talking about AI music, but not the kind you know from generators like Suno. We're approaching this way more creatively today. This is a guide for professionals and people who want to approach music creation in a creative way, and also for musicians. But for my loyal subscribers, don't worry at all, because I'm still supporting Comfy UI and I'm planning various upgrades to the current Druid Cat scripts available on my Patreon and Gumroad, which I talk about in previous videos. I'm cooking up something special for you. I've set up druidcat.com, where I'm gathering all the things I'm working on and what I have for you. You'll find links to Gumroad, to Patreon, descriptions about scripts for Comfy UI, and new things will appear there. The first thing I wanted to mention is for people who are with me because of graphics and video. I'm working on serverless solutions. On this site, there will be Comfy UI workflows, but in serverless form, meaning you won't need to use a pod. For a click and a symbolic amount of 1 or 2 cents, you'll be able to run a generation. For example, I started translating the Comfy UI 1 2.2 animate workflow to the website. It will work much better than on competing sites. Comfy UI is on the back end of all this, so many of these most useful workflows of mine, certainly not all of them, I'll throw on the site, and in the future there will be the possibility of generating for symbolic cents on this site without using a pod. The simplest way, just like the competition, if someone needs it quickly and doesn't want to install anything. And there's one more thing related to this. Now that I've figured out the system for how to make Comfy UI workflows run on a website, I can also make your Comfy UI workflows work on your website. So if you need a developer who will help you create such a site where Comfy UI will work on the back end of everything, I'm open to contact at this moment. Step 1. Introducing Music Paws. And what I have for you is the Music Paws AI application, which I coded only for the Windows system. Everything works. It has attractive subscription plans. Let's head over to my website, druidcat.com. You can browse through the things that are here. You'll see the name Cat Motion, which at the moment doesn't work. It's still under construction. But what does work perfectly is the fully functional Music Paws AI application. On the Music Paws AI website, you can also see samples of what example MIDI files and example sheet music look like. This is an application that will help you step into the role of a composer, even without great skills. It generates MIDI and sheet music of various classical composers, orchestras, classical music, symphonic music. We can create entire scores, orchestrations, and this kind of content. We have a huge choice of composers from 3 eras: Baroque, Classical, and the Romantic era. You can browse through the entire list of composers available for generation. We can generate different styles, different instrumentations. This is especially useful for musicians. And what can I say? Unlike applications like Suno or Udio, which are very popular for generating music, here we can approach it more creatively, which I highly encourage and will show you in just a moment. Step 2. Why creative tools matter in the AI era. Because completely ready-made music doesn't give as much satisfaction if someone is a musician and would like to create something. We can create a piece of music simply by using AI as a tool, not a substitute. And that's actually the more human way of using AI. I can also say, especially if there are musicians among the viewers here, that playing an instrument is the most brain-developing activity. So if you're young musicians, don't abandon your instruments. Let me break this down for you, because this is super important. Here's the ranking of activities that develop our brain the most. Playing a musical instrument, learning a new language, solving complex puzzles and brain teasers, regular physical exercise with coordination elements, reading and analyzing complex literature, learning programming and logical problem solving. Notice how playing an instrument sits at the very top. Why? Because when you play, you're simultaneously engaging multiple brain regions. Your motor cortex handles the physical movements. Your auditory cortex processes the sounds. Your visual cortex reads the notes. And your prefrontal cortex coordinates everything while adding emotion and interpretation. It's like a full brain workout that nothing else quite matches. And here's the thing that's absolutely crucial in today's AI-dominated world. When you develop these skills, you're not just becoming a better musician or problem solver, you're literally rewiring your brain to handle complexity, to see patterns, to think creatively under constraints. These are the exact skills that will make you irreplaceable in a world where AI can generate content at the click of a button. In the era of AI apps like Suno, we can use these tools in a hybrid way, replacing our musical ideas with AI instruments. It's never wasted time because those brain connections you're building, that creative problem-solving ability, that's what will let you use AI tools more effectively than someone who just prompts without understanding. The creativity becomes your superpower in a world of automated content. Step 3. The changing music landscape. I'll say one more thing. When it comes to vocals, AI vocals sound better than auto-tune vocals, but both can't compare to real talented vocalists. That's my opinion, that the music market is changing, and we're definitely facing a flood and evolution of these digital tools. They provide incredible pleasure, and slowly it's becoming less profitable. The rules of listening to music have changed. Many people listen to music just to have something playing in the background. And releasing CDs or concept albums, all that is slowly losing value. But why am I talking about this? Well, I'm slowly returning to my tool, where I encourage using AI as a tool for yourself, for your own creativity. And my Music Paws application will definitely help with that, where you can play around a bit. Create some cool track or record, for example, a live instrument, which I'll demonstrate in a moment. And one more thing I can say is that these orchestras create very interesting harmonies. Even someone who's into modern music can take just the harmonies themselves or some melody fragments and create a total art song from it. You can make pop, hip-hop, rock, using these interesting harmonic solutions. The beauty of MIDI is that it's just data. You can stretch it, compress it, change the key, change the tempo, swap instruments. It's completely flexible. This is what makes it so powerful for creativity. Step 4. Using Music Paws. First, download the setup application from the website. Now, if some warnings appear after downloading that it's unsafe, everything is safe on my part. The only thing I'm missing is certification, but this certification is delayed for certain reasons. The application meets all requirements, has terms and conditions, and you don't have to worry about it at all. I'm transparent here. If there were any problems, of course I provide support. Using the application is childishly simple. After installation, you'll be greeted by a very pleasant login screen. You see it right here on the screen. Enter your data, your password. You need to confirm your password by email. A nice email will come to you if you check the sign-up option. I already have an account, so I'll log in right away. So you type in your credentials, hit enter, and then you're greeted by a very simple panel. Look at this. Here we have a choice of period, meaning era. You can see here, classical, baroque, or romanticism. Below that we choose a composer and then we choose instrumentation. With different composers there are different instrumentations in which they're usually specialized. Now, at this moment, when we have all this ready, we can set the folder where our files will be downloaded. Then we click Generate at the bottom and wait. Look at this. Various cool messages are appearing here, showing us the progress of our generation. You can see what's happening in real time. And after some time we receive our files. These will be MP3, WAV, MID, and PDF files with sheet music. Let me show you what we got. We can listen to how they sound. And look at these files here. The score is neatly arranged. You can see it on the screen, with bass clef. Everything matches beautifully. The partiture is properly laid out. Now, if you run out of your 2 generations, I happen to have the basic plan activated here. But you can always go to Upgrade Plan. Click here. We have plans to choose from. I've already marked that my subscription will end after a month period, so you can always cancel the subscription at any time without a problem. You'll have an appropriate message for that. And here you have subscription plans to choose from, which you can activate by paying through the Stripe application. Step 5. Working in Reaper. Now let's move to the more creative part. For the purposes of this video, I've already generated some cool example MIDI files from this application, which I'll use to create my own track. My favorite digital audio workstation is Reaper. I really like the simplicity of this program and the things it offers. Now, MIDI is a digital recording of notes, so you can sculpt with MIDI in all ways. For me, MIDI operates much faster and simpler than working in classic musical notation. So what I did here is I imported our MIDI file into the program. You just drag and drop the MIDI file from Paws AI application. Look at this. You can see the MIDI tracks here on the screen. I replaced the piano layer, the melodic line, with cello. I also swapped the piano with some cool VST instrument. Let me explain what VST instruments are. These are virtual instruments that can be layered on MIDI to make them actually sound. You load a MIDI file, it's just data, just notes, and then you apply a VST instrument to it to give it sound. And now here's the thing. We have such a hybrid period right now, when these VST instruments are still being used, and they're very good, but we're slowly also moving to playing them through AI. So plugins are slowly appearing that simulate how an instrument should play. It sounds much more like a human than these traditional VST plugins. Listen to what we have here. You can hear that these are artificial plugins, especially this cello one. You can tell it's synthetic. We'll replace it with a live instrument in just a moment. Also, the Suno application, from what I understand, offers replacement of any melodic line with a human simulating instrument sound, and they sound much, much better. So you can experiment with that too. And now I have a riddle to activate you a bit. What is the most cat-like instrument? Here's your challenge. Think about an instrument that literally sounds like it's having a conversation with cats. When you tune it, it makes these characteristic feline meows and wails. Sometimes when played, especially in high registers, it genuinely sounds like cat music, like a feline symphony. If cats could design an instrument, this would be it. Hint number 1 coming up. It's a string instrument, obviously. But here's the twist. It's not played with a bow in the traditional sense. Think about how cats purr continuously without stopping. Hint number 2. This instrument has a very special mechanism. Think about something that rotates, something circular that creates continuous sound. And time. Did you get it? Yes, the hurdy-gurdy. Did any of you guess it? You can write in the comments, show off that you knew from the beginning what instrument this track will be played on. And here's what I did. Step 6. The result and moving forward. And this is exactly the creative, cool way you can use applications like Paws AI. Out of curiosity, you can try different styles, you can try different free applications like this, but for those impatient ones, don't worry. We'll return to our comfy UI in the next edition. I'm still working on new workflows available on the site. I hope by that time something will already be working there, though I don't promise anything at this moment. There will definitely be updates to Druid Cat scripts and this system that's been working for us so far. I warmly invite you, I encourage you to check out my other videos about Comfy UI. The scripts are available both on Gumroad with a one-time payment and on Patreon. At this moment, it's exactly the same content and everything works the same. It works locally as well as on RunPod. You can install them on pods. Bonus. And now, bonus time. I have something special for you. Look at this. On the site, you can see there's a shop option and limited edition merch is coming in. 50 limited decks of poker cards. I wanted something unusual. Everyone has t-shirts, mugs. Maybe in the future I'll introduce those too. But at this moment, I wanted to start with a gadget that other creators don't offer, to stand out with something. And I have these cards for you. Poker playing cards. You can play with friends. It's a standard deck of cards. But look at these. It's a cat-themed deck that I designed myself. You can see on the screen. There are 4 factions of cats fighting among themselves. There's the court, there are battle cats, there are nature cats, and there are magical cats, magical fiery ones. Among them appears a dragon queen and a fire master. Very pleasant design. I spent a lot of time on them to polish every detail. I've already played with friends and the deck was very well received. I'm putting it on the Druid Cat shop as the first available product. Limited to only 50 decks. And attention, here's the deal. I'm adding a special code for each of you who buys these wonderful cards. I'm adding a discount code for the first Patreon subscription, and at the same time you're adding a brick to my further development, things like this website and future projects. And I encourage you at the end, of course, to subscribe to the channel. See you soon. Hey,